Business travel has been severely reduced this year, and it is possible it will continue to be difficult to travel for some time. At emew, we've been looking for ways to stay connected with our customers and to provide support effectively and efficiently. One of the technological solutions we are excited to offer is the use of HoloLens by Microsoft, an augmented reality device that allows emew to deliver technical support without the need to physically be on site. With the HoloLens, emew engineers see and communicate with the customer in real time through the Microsoft Teams video application. With the customer wearing the device, emew engineers can guide the customer representative through assembly, troubleshooting, or repair processes as if they were physically present next to them. The HoloLens is a self-contained headset with Wi-Fi connectivity with no wires or external parts. Simply put the headset on and start communicating. With this wonderful technology, we are able to continue to help our customers around the globe, even during these difficult times. Contact us for more information at info@emew.com, info@emew.com.